remember how I used to put cushions under my butt to drive the other one. There's no key.
No, there is key.
There is the key. Yeah, this is the biggest joke yet.
There is no key.
Okay, brother. Now you have to teach me how to drive. First of all, tell me how to open the windows.
How to open the windows? What do you mean? What window you want
How?
to open? Okay, you see the 4 seats, right? There are 4 seats. No.
Huh.
There are 4 seats.
There are 4 seats.
कौन सी विंडोज खोलनी
ये
ये
वाली
वाली
खोलनी है, शीशा सही
हाँ
करना है।
तो ये इस तरफ वाला पीछे का
हाँ.
ये पीछे का ये आगे का
Oh wow,
so
fantastic.
it's like you know those 4 seats.
And this
Okay, I'll tell you. Just push it out.
is fully automatic. Fully manual.
Push it out. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Now how do you adjust this?
Huh?
How do you adjust the mirror?
I don't know.
Okay, so you work on right and
Huh? What the hell? Okay. I need to adjust that mirror as well. I think it's pretty adjusted, but
no, you can. No, first adjust that one.
I want to adjust this one.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
there's a car in here. Okay. Fine.
Fine, done.
I cannot imagine I can.
Now adjust that one. Is it adjusted?
I have driven all my life without looking in the mirror.
Yes. Now
how to close this?
Wow! Let's go, guys! Clapping. Acha, don't use the other foot. You only need to use one foot.
Okay, fine. Okay. Why it's not? Why I can't push it up? I think it's already up.
No more up.
I don't know actually. You're
Now
fine.
where is it? It's like it's around here. It's not here.
This. Oh no, I don't see anything. Look. You have it here?
No, I don't have it. It's fine.
It's fine. I think.
No, you're in drive.
Sorry, reverse.
Release. Keep going. Break. यार ब्रेक पे रख. हाँ. तो अब ऐसे करके. Why are you using the mirror when?
Yeah. I don't know how to drive this car, man. Hold on. क्या करूँ?
Trust me. Just go back. हाँ, just go back.
रज़ा, मुझे अपनी मर्जी कर.
Trust me, just go back.
I will never trust you. ठीक है. मुझे अपनी मर्जी जरा थोड़ी सारी अपनी कर लेने दे. क्योंकि मुझे अभी भी नहीं समझ लगी. खराब हो जाएगी तो तू आ जाएगी. चल ठीक.
Keep going.
अभी भी आ रही है.
Keep going. It's way too far away. Keep going.
अब यहाँ से तू जा रहा है उस तरफ.
It's supposed to be 15 minutes driving, not 15 minutes getting out of parking.
15 minutes getting out of
रिवर्स पे
parking.
जाऊँगा.
Keep going.
हाँ.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Gonna start beeping soon.
A new car smell. You know?
Yeah, because you know I have never sat on such a good car in my life.
दबा.
जब मैं पहनूंगी.
Where are we going actually?
I don't know because my legs are too short for this.
No, but like where, as in like where?
Wilson, get off your hand from that handle.
Okay.
Drive safe. Respectfully, are you just learning how to drive?
No, she has never driven a good car in her life. She only knows how to drive a manual.
Knowing how to drive a manual is the greatest thing.
You guys can watch us.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm happy because my legs are
You
too
got
short.
this.
क्यों?
तू फिर चला जाएगा. मैं फिर अपनी क्लास पढ़ाऊंगी.
So you don't want to go where you wanted to go?
I never wanted to go anywhere.
So what was the whole thing?
The whole purpose was this, that I can take it out from the parking. If I can take it out, this means I can take it anywhere. Okay. Now I'm gonna drop you home, okay?
Whoa.
Seat belts always.
Yes. Very nice.
I can drive, guys. It's just that I don't have a driving license. I will learn one day, guys, but that day is not today. Hey, where's my phone? This is my phone.